Hey there, gang. Welcome back to Papa's Model Workshop. I'm Papa. This is my workshop. Well, right now it is Sunday afternoon, August the 31st, and I promised that I was going to end up the voting at 12 noon, and I was going to tabulate the votes for the three possibilities for the Assemblers United group build hosted by Shaggy's Awesome Garage and Lynx Scale Models. So I do have a clear-cut winner, and I was kind of surprised, actually. Well, I was a little surprised by the winner itself. I thought it was going to be a different pick, and I was surprised by the margin. It won by better than 2-1. It took an early lead and really maintained that lead throughout. The other two were kind of neck and neck. So I'll tell you what, I'm not going to drag this out any further. Let's go into the workshop and let's take a look, okay? And we'll do that reveal. Okay, gang, we're out here in the workshop, and we're at the paint bench, and the reveal is right behind here, so I'm not going to drag this out any further. Here is the kit that all of you picked for me, and here we go. It is the Chevy Del Rey, the 1956 Chevy Del Rey, a Revel kit in 1/25th scale, and that is the winner, and that is the kit that I will be building for the group build sponsored by Shaggy's Awesome Garage and Lynx Scale Models for the Assemblers United group build. Now, I'm going to give you one more vote, and that's going to start, well, actually, right after you view this video, I suppose. And we will end up the voting on this one this coming Friday. That would be September the 5th. And that will end up at 12 o'clock on that day. And the voting that I'm going to ask you to do is for a color. All right. Now, this particular build, you can do it in one color, or you can do it as a two-tone. You see, if you flip this over, okay, you can do it as a two-tone. All right. In this example, you've got a blue and then white in the back and then up on the roof. Now, I'll tell you, I have, well, actually, there's a two-tone up here, too. I have looked at some pictures since I discovered what the winner was going to be. There's another option for this car, okay, in terms of going with a two-tone. You can do it as pictured here, all right, or you can do it where the color is down in here. Whoops, where the color is down in here, and then the white goes all the way across. All right, I'm thinking of doing it that way instead of having the white color just in the back and then up on the roof. All right, so with that, I will reveal the three color choices that you have. All right, so hang on. I have to reposition this camera, so hold on one second. Okay, guys, I got the camera repositioned, so these are the three colors that I am considering, okay? Italian Racing Red, Rally Spirit Blue, and Metallic Oak Green, all right? So those are the three color possibilities. Regardless of which color, the white in between is going to be diamond white. All right. So vote on which one you would like to see on this Del Rey. Okay. And again, whoops, wrong way. Again, there's your two-tone on the box. But as I mentioned, I'm going to go with the solid color down here and the white across here. All right, so I'm going to do the two-tone just a little bit different than what the box is depicting. But in doing my research, a lot of these Del Reys are just exactly like that. So we're going to be using Kaleido colors. So again, as I said, here is, there we go. Here is our Italian Racing Red, okay, and our Rally Spirit Blue. All right. And the metallic oak green. Okay. So those are our three possibilities, all going to be against or contrasted with the diamond white. Okay. So there's our colors. Send me your vote. You can vote for your color either right here in the comments section. You can send me an email, and this is my email. Okay. I just got a very nice email from Ken from Model Car Building in Retirement. And he asked for a shop card, so I'm going to send the shop card right out to Ken. And if you're a content creator and you'd like to swap shop cards, there you go. There's my mailing address. All right. And I also mentioned in the last video that I was going to get a discount code up for you because I've been contacted by Ghaaleri. Ghaaleri makes the Kaleido paints, all right, and they also make airbrushes and various pieces of equipment for airbrushing and so on and so forth. And if you go to Papa's Model Workshop and you go in the description, description area of my channel, you will see a discount code from Ghaaleri Paints. Well, not Ghaaleri Paints, but Ghaaleri. And you click on that, and when you get to checkout, you apply the discount code right here, PPMW, that's Papa's Model Workshop. If you put PPMW in the discount code box at checkout, you will get 10% off. Okay, you'll get a 10% discount for anything that you buy. All right, so I'm really proud to be an affiliate partner with Ghaaleri, and it works out great for all of you Papa's Model Workshop viewers because you will get a 10% discount code. Okay, so I think that's going to probably do it for now. Oh, you know what? Hold on, I want to show you this. This is the Peterbilt wrecker that I have been working on. All right, and here is, get this out of here, this isn't glued yet. This is the piece right here that I was trying to fabricate. Can you see where it connects into the drive shaft right here? All right, so here's one end and here's the other end, and it is going right across there perfectly. All right, and that came out pretty nice. And then here is the other area where I needed to make that little bridge to hold up this end, and it's painted black to match the rest of the frame. So you really can't see that, you know, I mean, yes, you can see it, but I mean, it's not glaring and outstanding. It kind of blends in. All right, but I think that that worked out okay. All right, and there's the little pilot hole that I was trying to describe in the last video. And by the way, speaking of that last video, if you saw that video on YouTube, I have to apologize. For some weird reason, that video had some kind of a technical glitch on YouTube. If you saw that video on the Facebook side, it came out just fine. But if you saw it on the YouTube side, it kept intermittently flashing. It looked like an X-ray almost when it flashed. And it went through the entire video. So I apologize about that. I reviewed it before I uploaded it. It wasn't there in the review. And again, I mentioned it's not on Facebook. I don't know what the problem was, but I apologize. And for any of you that withstood that and saw the whole video, thank you for hanging in there and watching that video that way. So I apologize once again. I don't know what the glitch was. I'm going to try to figure out what the heck happened, and I hope that doesn't happen again. Let me just say a few things. I have Max Utton. I haven't forgotten about you. I know that you asked to see some other builds and how I display them. So I haven't forgotten. I just haven't gotten to that that video yet, but I will make it and I will get it on. And I also want to mention Southwest Scale Model Builders. That's Jim Crutchfield. He sent me a message saying he got my shop card, so good deal. I'm glad you got that. I guess that's it for right now. Again, I thank all of you for checking in and vote for the color of your choice for that Del Rey. And once I have the colors, I will get started on that 56 Chevy Del Rey for the Assemblers United group build, which starts tomorrow, September 1st. So I'm going to get started probably a little bit late, but it runs until March 1st, so I've got some time. All right, so gang, again, thanks so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next video.